To be 100% effective, barrier heights must match the impact zone of vehicle types in operation at a workplace. Consider the height of the impact zone of vehicles and ensure barriers have been tested to dynamic real-life simulation at speed. Vehicle fork protection at ground level is essential in environments where vehicle forks could pass beneath the barriers. Key infrastructure such as door frames, columns, sprinkler systems and electrical equipment, as well as valuable machinery, should also have protection at an appropriate height, with minimum ground level height of 150 mm. Ground level protection must be used to prevent serious injury.